Good morning, boys. Hope you are fine. You have to take out your junior English and you have to open page number 61. You will mention CW and short it at the top of your page. Today is your topic homophones. Do you know what are homophones? Today I will teach you about homophones. Homophones is a combination of two words, homo and phone. Homo means same and phone means sound. Okay, so homophones are the word with same sound. Homophones are the word with same sound, but they have different spelling and different meaning. Okay, homophones are the word with same sound but different spelling and different meaning. Means their pronunciation is same but they have different spelling and different meaning. Look here, we have an example that sun, two same sound words, sun, but this is sun means Aaron has a son and this is son. Pronunciation of the word are same but they are totally different in their meaning. One is son, a male boy, and this is sun. Sun rises from the east. Okay? Here we have another example of homophones. See. Two same sound words. But see is to look something. See of water. Okay? I can see that cow. And he lives near the sea. Same sound but meanings are totally different. Homophones are the word with same sound but they are different in their meaning. Look here, it's another example of homophones. Plain. Same sound word, but it's plain the simple. It was a plain room and it's plain aeroplane. He went to Kashmir via aeroplane or plane. Okay? Here is another example of homophones. 8. 8 is a digit, a number, and 8 past form of eat. He got 8 out of 10 marks in a test. Sanjay ate all chocolate yesterday. Two same words but different in spelling and meaning. Okay, boys, now you know that what are homophones. Homophones are the word with same sound, same pronunciation, but they are different in meaning or spellings. Okay, so read out part A. Choose the correct word for the pair above to complete each sentence. You have to read the sentence and there are two homophones. With the help of these homophones you have to complete the sentence. Read out the first sentence. The bride wore a dash of lace. Veil. Two same sound words. You have to find out the meanings. What is this? Veil and vale means a valley. A valley is a place with greenery and mountains. So, can a bride have this kind of veil? No. Veil. Veil is a thin material for covering face. This is veil. Can a bride wear this kind of veil? Yes, this is the right veil. So, the bride wore a dash of lace. This veil was a valley and this veil was a thin covering for face. So, it's the right answer. You will write here. Okay. So, read out the second sentence. The fast sport car collided with a dash salon car. There are two words, stationary and stationary. You have to choose the best answer for here. So read out the first stationery spelling Stationery. This is stationery, a writing material. Okay. Look here in this picture. It's stationery. Stationery. Okay. It's the writing material. Writing books, writing pencils. All these things are stationery. This is another word for stationery which means standing still. Okay? Look here in this picture. Look here in this picture. The car is standing still, means not moving. Okay? So this stationery was the writing material and this stationery means standing still. Which word you have to write here? The fast sports car collided with a dash salon car. You have to write the best answer, okay? And the right answer must be, you have to write in neat writing. The next sentence is the dash foretold the defeat of the Hebrews. Here is the prophet. Prophet means to have benefit or gain. And the other prophet is one who foretells events. Okay, last prophet or the prophet of Islam, any kind of. This is the prophet which give us benefits, and this prophet is the person who tells foretales or events. So what word should be here? The dash foretold the defeat of Hebrews. So you have to write the best answer here. Now read out the fourth sentence. In spring, farmer plough their fields and dash the seed. Sow. This word sow means to scatter the seeds, and this sow means to do work with needle and thread. Okay, so in spring season, the farmer plowed their fields and dashed the seeds. What do the farmer do in spring season into their fields? They sow. Look here in this picture. This SOW sow mean to scatter seeds into the field. Okay. This is the other word. Saw means to do work with the needle or thread. Okay. So now you have to write the best answer in that blank. So in this blank you have to write the best answer. What do the farmer do in spring season? They do work with the thread or they scatter seed. From both the words you have to write the best answer. Now you have to read out the fifth blank. Having pulled a dash in his thigh, the center half had to leave the field. There are two words, muscle and muscle. One word, muscle, muscle, muscle is the part of body, and mussel, muscle is a shell of fish. Okay, look here in this picture. These are the muscles, part of body. Okay, and this is the other muscle, which is a fish inside the shell, a shell fish. Okay, so now you have to read this blank. Having pulled a dash in his thigh, the center half had to leave the field. Which muscle will be the best answer here? You have to write it by yourself. Okay, this part B is your homework. You have to read it and you have to solve it here on your book. Do this work neatly on your book and then you have to send me your feedback. Okay.